Hi, if you own Royal Enfield Interceptor, you know the stock seats are not too comfortable for long rides. Unfortunately, part of their business progression, Royal Enfield sell a better riding seat part of the additional accessories. Does it fulfill the rider and pillion requirement in a long ride? Not exactly. There are plenty of options available in the aftermarket in different shape, size, and color. However, I have chosen Sahara seats after a lot of research online and offline. Sahara seats does not have a big presence in the marketplace like Amazon or Flipkart, but their website have content what you are looking for, though the display or the sample images are not that great. They are based out of Hyderabad. You can connect with them using WhatsApp. I found them very customer friendly. They might give you more options, details, and suggestions as per your need. I have chosen the low rider design seat assembly for a better comfort for the rider and pillion as per the suggestion given by Sahara. It cost me 4,999 with free delivery. As they committed, they delivered it within 7 days after I placed the order. The seat is good looking, not odd or bulky. The fabric used is decent in quality. Threads used are strong and made of nylon. Pillion rider has enough space for better seating during long rides. The cushion used are high density that will allow the rider to sit low for optimal riding position and remain comfortable. You obviously know how to remove the stock seats and replace it with this one. In terms of hook and lock system, it is the same mechanism as stock seat, but the seat base is a metal plate painted in black. Hope this will not get rusted soon. The hooks and the support knobs are also metal, unlike plastic stock seat. It looks sturdy and stronger than the original. We did a quick test ride around 200 kilometers. Me and the pillion found it extremely comfortable and much better than the stock. No complaints. Let me show you some visuals from this ride.
Girl,